Hello, and welcome to today's family program. This is Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. We are in a new month, and it's such an exciting time to also get new information as well as new opportunities for us to grow in our relationships and work with other people. We have just looked in the previous months, the whole issue of teamwork and resolving conflicts and, all that comes with working with people. Well, I especially want to welcome anyone who is here for the first time, and also to let you know that this program is built one on the other. So we always encourage you to watch the previous program so that you can be abreast with whatever we have done prior to this one. Well, today we are going to look at the topic of mentoring. Why mentoring? Because we have talked about working in teams, things that can happen. But one of the key things that can also help you as you work with teams and be successful is if you have somebody, who gives input and guides you as you are in the team and working. So the issue of mentoring is very, very important. It is one topic that has been also not fully understood or used as it is meant to be. Many people, see mentors as people so that you can follow, as people who set examples and you just maybe repeat after them. But mentoring goes beyond that. So let's get into, business for the day. So when we're talking about mentoring, then it takes a mentor to fulfill the task of mentoring. So a mentor is someone who seeks for the best in another and puts himself in the place of that one so as to impart the person to become who he or she is meant to be. A mentor would usually listen to your concerns, your fears, the things that maybe you dread most, and he will guide you to navigate through that and emerge as a successful person. A mentor would believe in the dreams of the person that he is mentoring. So when you get people mentoring you, it is important that you share your dreams, your aspirations, and whatever it is that you have set before you with them. By so doing, they will be able to help you navigate through the paths that will bring you into fruition and seeing your vision work. A mentor would not be looking for maybe just your mistakes or will not be judgmental, even if it sounds or comes out as such. The aim of whatever the mentor is doing is to make sure you align with your purpose and you fulfill your dream. So generally, they wouldn't be, correcting you with maybe judging and those things. No, he would bring the facts before you, let you see where maybe you are wrong, and then give you an opportunity to make it right. A mentor will not leave you in the bush to say, well, this is wrong, and not tell you what you need to do in order to get it right. Mentor is more like a father or a mother, figure, someone who clearly has passion and interest in your welfare. And he will be looking for how he can invest into you. It is very, very important that we all have people who would be able to pour into us. Once you get these mentors bringing stuff into you without judging you, then they can help you to be, the best that you can. They cheer you on. They are like your cheer people. They tell you, yes, you can do it. Keep on going. Even though it didn't work, you can still move on. And it is very, very important that we all have one or two people who would be able to help us, look beyond and keep on going. And once you get somebody cheering you on, you get the better or the best of who you are to emerge. When they say, yes, you can do it, you get a new energy and you begin to, work towards getting into that next level. So as a mentor or someone being mentored, remember that you will be encouraged. You will be, told to go forward. And once you get that kind of push, keep on going. And when a mentor sees the mentee, pushing forward, it gives the mentor also an opportunity to bring more into you. Well, if you have just joined us right now, this is today's family program, and I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and we are in a new month, and we are looking at the issue of mentoring. Today, we are talking about who a mentor is and what is generally expected of a mentor. As we go on, we will dive deeper into the technicalities that we have to know as we are being mentored and as we mentor. So what we are doing here is relevant for you if you are being mentored, and it is also relevant for you if you are in the position of a mentor. It is so important that when we encourage people to keep on doing what they are doing, they in the process either learn new skills or sharpen their skills, and they become better at what they are doing. One of the ways that you can get better at things that you do is to keep on doing it. And as you are doing it, you ask yourself the question, what is working? What is not working? A mentor would definitely give you an opportunity to get all that you can out of you. And in the process, we'll be assessing which areas do you need more strength, which areas do you need to just stay put, and which areas do you need to get input in order for you to succeed. It is very, very important. And please, if you are being mentored, don't let your first reaction to especially negative comments from your mentor mean he or she does not like you, or is charging you, or is saying you are nothing. Sometimes we give our best, but our best may not be their best. Your level of strength may not be the same level of strength as another person. So you will find in a race, somebody comes first, somebody comes second, and somebody comes third. Now, both all the three people who run the race might have given their best, but the best that the one who came first gave was his best, which brought him in that race to the best position, which is number one. The second person ran his best, and that brought the person to third. The third person ran his best, and that brought him to the third position. Now, what happens is that, generally speaking, all of them have given their best, but because it is a competitive thing, one becomes first, another becomes second, and another comes third. Mentors will usually not create that competitive spirit in you, but they will make you go for your best. And at every given point, whether you are 10th in the race or you are 5th in the race, they know you have won because you have done better than whenever you have had that opportunity to show what you can do. So you can see your mentor, cheering you up and saying, well done, well done. Somebody will not understand. Well done because you came third. No, well done because today you have given the best of the best that you can give. Isn't it good? We all need one or two people who would keep on cheering you. By so doing, you begin to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in your own abilities, no amount of cheering up will bring the best out of you. When they say go for it, you have to have the attitude of, yes, I'll go for it because I know I can. Yes, we can. Yes, I can. I have to be the best. I have to give my best. I can go for it. So you train for it, you equip yourself for it, and you go and you deliver. And you will always be happy because you have given your best. Please remember this. Failure does not mean you are unable to. Failure can mean you did not give your best. So you have to now look at how you can improve that by giving your best. In conclusion for today, I want you to know when you have a mentor in your life, and this mentor is looking for your best and looking at how he can impart you to be the best that you can, you should also remember you are on a path to finding yourself. So whatever you are doing with the help of the mentor, remember at the end of the day, the honest lies on you to make decisions as to what you should do and what you should not do. But go for the best. And when you have mentors in your life, you have some form of guarantee that even if things don't go well, you still have somebody who will cheer you on and you can go for the best. I'm Dr. Abed Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family. And we'll come to you again in a week's time, and we will continue from where we stopped today. But I want you to know we all need people to invest in our lives. Mentors, once again, are those who are looking out for the best in you, not to become a clone of them, but to become the best of you yourself as an original. Well, we'll see you next week. And this is where I say bye. Enjoy the rest of your week and see you exactly in a week's time. Bye-bye.